Hi, Jenny here. It's lunchtime and it's still in the hot days of summer, so I thought I would make a salad. I don't know about you, but it's easier for me to eat salad in the summer than the winter. So today we're going to make an Asian Mandarin salad. Let's get started. Depending on how many salads you want to make will depend on how much of the ingredients you'll need. You can either use a salad mixture in a bag, or else I have some romaine lettuce here that I'm just going to tear up for my salads. A can of 15 ounces of mandarin oranges, some toasted sesame dressing, some type of almonds. I've got slivered almonds here. You could use sliced almonds. Chow mein noodles, some cooked chicken breast. I have this cooked up from the other day in my crock pot that I used. And then either some snow peas or sugar snap peas. I'm going to start with draining the oranges. I mean, sometimes when I drain stuff I like to save the juice and drink it, especially like a pineapple or that, but today I'm just going to drain this out. And then we will tear up our lettuce and get that into our bowls. Actually, tear off the leaves and we'll rinse them and pat them dry. Guess I could have chopped the ends off first. What you thinking? Don't normally do it this way, but figure make it go a little bit faster. I'm just going to chop it all up with a knife instead of tearing it apart like I usually do. So I'll just get rid of some of the browner ends that are on there. And we'll just chop it up. Alright, we're going to rinse our snow peas and then we're going to cut them in halves or thirds and distribute them as much as we want in the salads. Now we will add some of our the almonds, the chow mein noodles, and then our oranges. Alright, and then with the one I'm going to eat today, I'll put this on, otherwise I won't put this on until I actually eat the salads. So it doesn't make it all moist and wet. This will be interesting. I've never had a toasted sesame dressing. So let's see how this goes. So there you have it. The different type of a salad that you can try. I will leave the ingredients that I used and all that in the description below. Let me know in the comments below if you like to eat salads and what kind of salads you like, what kind of ingredients you use together. I always find it interesting when I find something online these days, I guess, not magazines anymore really, with different combinations of things that you can throw together. So I'm going to enjoy my lunch. You guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Let's try this dressing. Usually I make salads and go without dressing. Kind of plain that way. We'll see. That's good.